Most of us believe in remodeling our homes to give them a brand new look. To us, this renovation will give a new life to our homes. But in recent times it's important to perform all these tasks by investing the minimum. If you are thinking of getting the tiles and woodies and furniture to be changed, then a little inexpensive idea would be just changing the accessories of the room. For instance, instead of going for the new paint or massive overhaul, go for simple bath accessories change. It's easier to redecorate your bathrooms, as they're smaller in size and minor changes could give you a brand.
One should know the importance of the bathroom when we think of remodeling them. Most of the people are still unable to discuss the basic domestic use of the bathroom, but everyone is fully aware of its function. This could also be the reason to make your bath accessories appropriate, as they will give a sense of comfort to its user. If your selection of bath accessories is wrong, it will create a very uncomfortable environment.
Themes are important when it comes to shop for your bath accessories. There should be a few answers in your mind before you shop for particular bath accessories. For instance, you should know who will be using that area the most. Is this place located to your children's bedroom or your maid or suite? Will it be used by the general visitors? Having answers for all these questions and more will help you determine the perfect kind of bath accessories.
For a mature theme, use of some classy shapes and pattern of some decent colors will give your theme a perfect start, and this could be an economical choice for your bath accessories. For bath accessories to be used by children, you should go for some characters that your child loves. Some bright colors and character images will certainly require some extra budget, but it will give your child a very comfortable feeling.
Now, changing these bath accessories could be as easy as replacing your old towel sets with the new ones, or even replacing some mats with more attractive ones. Replacing old cabinets with the new tops will also give this room a brand new look. Make sure that your bath accessories are inexpensive and serving your purpose.
There could be many colors and themes that one can choose for the bath accessories. But choosing black bath accessories will give your room a more elegant and trendy look. The bath accessories can range from simple soap dishes to the stylish wall hangings. When changing your bath accessories, make sure you start with the most prominent ones, like cabinets, towels and mats. The wall paint should have some contrast with the bath accessories. This will enhance the look of your bathroom. The color choice of your bath accessories will have some great impact on your bathroom.